have new refrigerator. Yes. Sofa. So this bed sheet already have. So it's full furnish. Prime Asia Hotel. Candy Palace also. Siark. All new. Fresh. Have heater on side. Room is not big, but not need big. You can faster, it's aircon have, faster cool. Okay, you can close. Georgi, explain how much you pay for this room. 20,000 monthly.
30 days, yes.
30 days, 20,000 peso. Already including internet?
Yes.
Internet including?
Only electricity and water.
Electricity and water you need to pay. Additional pay. And this floor is not occupied, only you? I don't know.